We bought a Hoarder House. This is their stuff that we moved out in their storage unit. Will it fit inside or will it be trash? You didn't know what some of this stuff is, do you?
After it's like, why did you bring me?
Well, that's what I know. Uh-oh.
Oh, you chewed it up. Right, shit, all types of stuff.
Wait. I'm gonna stay down.
4,000 pound acetate. It's probably like one of them old warehouses. You just start putting like storage like this in there. Add the walls up, boom. Ain't got spots to rent people.
Sure.
Yeah, we gonna get beat up.
Everybody's got to fit out here. Just have 2 trips, that's all. All right, let's go.
I don't need. It's like power. We're going to see the boss.
This is like storage wars.
Yeah. Crazy. This is our first time having to deal with something like this.
I don't even know all this stuff in here.
Man.
A lot of it's just how you put it in. It goes up 8 foot.
How much is something like this?
A 10 by 10, 70-20. The way they talk when they came, they didn't have much. And then they show up, it's like, oh, shit.
That's how it was put to us too. We ain't taking that much stuff. I'm like, all right, I'll help then.
I say, let's move some of this out right and start fresh. Let's put the big stuff in first.
Where Booby going? Booby, don't do that. I wonder do they really need this big furniture?
She said her grandmother had that. So what all are you moving? Are you moving like dressers and stuff like that?
No, just one dresser, a file cabinet, another stand, a bunch of boxes, like 40 to 50 boxes.
Put this right on top of it.
One TV.
This the TV they was watching.
Yeah.
This is nice. I cut it up.
Like a magic mic. I ain't know that.
3 TVs and 1 stand. And, my table and chairs. I'm not moving everything.
It was supposed to only be a little bit of stuff, and it's a lot of stuff.
On top.
After thinking about it, it's like, shoot, we're just gonna try to take advantage of making a trick for the big stuff and then the little stuff just put on the line.
I gave them a free upgrade because Palace kids took all the 5 by 10s. So in other words, it wouldn't fit. That's it. That's it.
I don't need no lock. Nobody want to steal this thing.
I know it's one more load right now.
I was about to say, what?
Yeah, them.
You know what?
Like,
One more load. Oh, man.
money.
You got it, boo. You did it.
So good.
It's like I was on, what's that show? Baby.
Yeah, you can leave them.
Okay.
Oh, what is that?
Is this your box, bro?
Yep.
I need to open it, make sure I don't rack on how about that bitch.
Uh-oh.
You didn't sell the house, man.
If it looks that bad, what idiot bought this?
We did.
We did.
We the idiots.
Oh, I'm sorry. I mean, some people, they totally got them, rely on them, and you stop back in 6 months, you'd never know.
That's what we do.
Yep.
But we do it ourselves. We don't got no big crew.
Oh, this is all right. I'll take this.
I guess in 1965, him and his grandfather built it. Always went out on Lake Erie with him, man. I said, man, I had a 16-foot boat. I ain't going on Lake Erie on no 16-foot boat.
We went on Lake Erie, my dad boat, and that boy shut off, and then a fat ass boat came past, and you know when a big boat comes, the big wave comes.
Oh, man.
And I'm on that boy like, oh,
A storm came in. I look around, it's this wall of water. It's like, man, what the f*** have you done, man? You're gonna be dead.
That water got a mind of its own.
And that storm came out of nowhere. It was like this, and 45 minutes later, it's like, what the f***?
I think we need to start heading back.
Right.
Like they say, you better listen to that radio, check the weather before you go out.
I didn't pay attention to that shit at that time.
I want to go white rafting water too.
No, yeah.
Ooh.
Yeah, I guess you won't keep doing stupid.
Man.
I'm lucky I survived through most of the stupid shit I did.
Hey, sometimes you gotta live life on the edge a little bit.
I wouldn't do it now.
You need one of these.
Yeah, he said this is a speed demon boat. They're at to just sit back and cruise.
Yeah.
Gotcha.
2, 4, 6-seater.
These were on the bigger boat. I stepped out to patch that hole from the pipe, and that thing just started cutting. It's like I jumped over to the other side. I said, Joe, I gotta get that. I was like, I ain't standing on that. Stand out.
We definitely gotta get one of these bags.
Yeah, we definitely will.
That's the thing.
This for sale too?
This thing will go up like 4 stories. If you even had a ladder that big, I ain't getting on it. You guys have a good day. I'm
You
gonna
too.
Shut down and get the hell out of here.
yeah.
I gave him a car to sit. Yeah, you guys have a good one.
On the mission, hustling, trying to get it. So I'm hustling for mine.